Being prepared for unexpected situations on the road is crucial. Whether you're commuting daily or going on a long road trip, having a well-equipped vehicle preparedness kit can make all the difference in emergencies. Today, we'll explore the essential items and tools you should always have in your vehicle. First, let's talk about the basics. Always keep a sufficient supply of water. Dehydration can quickly become a serious issue, especially if you're stranded. Next, a comprehensive first aid kit, like an individual first aid kit, IFAK, is a must-have for treating minor injuries on the spot. Also, include a fire extinguisher and a basic tool set for minor repairs. Moving on to specialized tools. A roadside assistance kit is essential. This should include jumper cables, a tire inflator, and a flashlight. For those who want to be extra prepared, consider a folding bike. This can be invaluable if your vehicle breaks down in a remote area, giving you a way to get help. Now, let's discuss seasonal preparedness. In colder climates, winter-specific gear is vital. This includes items like a wool blanket, snow boots, and an ice scraper. A wool blanket can keep you warm if you're stuck in your car during a snowstorm, while proper boots and an ice scraper help you navigate icy conditions safely. Apart from these tools and kits, think about communication devices. Having a charged power bank or portable battery ensures your phone is always ready for emergency calls. Consider adding a whistle, flares, or reflective triangles to signal for help or warn other drivers of your presence. In conclusion, a well-prepared vehicle kit is not just about safety, it's about peace of mind. Being prepared means you're ready for whatever comes your way. Start building your vehicle preparedness kit today and travel with confidence, knowing you're prepared for the unexpected.